Hey guys, so NARWAL sent us their S10 Pro wet dry vacuum mop. So we're gonna open this up and show you guys what it looks like. Let's get right into it. All right guys, so we've opened it up, and on the box, the first thing that you'll see is the initial setup guide. Okay, so you'll see over here the overview of what you have in your box. And this wet dry mop is pretty good because it's very lightweight. It's self-clean. It has a self-clean button where it cleans itself, right? And then there is the self-clean base. You have the clean water tank, and you also have the dry water the dirty water tank component. Let's go ahead and pull it out of the box and show you guys what it looks like. So in the box you have, which I already pulled out, the handle right here. You also have the body of the wet vacuum. Okay. All right, so I'll have my little assistant here, so you'll hear his voice. But the most interesting part about this wet vacuum is that the clean water is at the bottom here, and the dirty water releases up here at the top. So, and which makes this vacuum very lightweight. NARWAL also added an extra roller brush, a filter, as well as what I'm going to show you guys here is the docking station. Right here we have our docking station, and we're going to put this together and show you guys what it looks like. Again, this dry vacuum mop is super lightweight, so you'll definitely enjoy using it around your home. All right, so putting this together is just such a breeze. All you have to do is just take your handle and just put it right in here, and you're good to go. Look how lightweight it is. All right guys, Zach is sitting right here, but this is how we're gonna put this in the docking station without the foot. And here you go, all good. So I hope you like this video. Thank you. The S10 Pro comes with an LCD screen that allows you to select multiple cleaning mode. The clean water tank can be found at the bottom of the vacuum, where you can pour in your clean water to start your mop. The dirty water tank comes with a filter for solid waste and dirty water. To get started, all you have to do is lean the handle back and it will start the vacuuming. It lays flat 180 degrees and is super flexible side by side.
Low area cleaning detected. Adjusting suction power automatically. Cleaning cost.
This vacuum is zero maintenance as it comes with self-wash and self-dry.
Starting roll brush and dirty water tank filter drying. Quiet mode. Electrolyte water sterilization activated.
All right, that's it for the NARWAL S10 Pro. I hope you liked this video. I'll see you later. Bye.